Do you really see the reality yourself? It is pretty fundamental for you to think of what reality is. As for you to see the very matter of reality, mastication is surely necessary. Every day, you are guided to see so many things in your daily life. There is no day not to see anything. This means every day, momentarily, you have so many chances to see and follow things. I'd like you to ask a question. Do you surely understand the reality of a thing? Every day, I'd like you to continue observing things. To observe things, what you need to be experiencing mastication, human life is transient, momentarily. In the sphere of your transience, you are guided to be sharpened to see the deepness of the things. Every day, you should not fly off upon a tangent. You need to have concentration. Concentration upon concentration. You see the profundity of the things. I dare to be dedicated enough to experience any matters. Vicissitudes of life are necessary for you to deepen the reality of the matters you experience. Rational digestion engenders deep insight, very much deeply. You go forth to be breathing more essentially. There is no labyrinthine direction. There is a clear and concrete direction. If you continue experiencing rational digestion, the lecture shall be finished now.